Hi, I'm Harsha. I'm gonna explain the topic streams. Stream is generally a flow of data. In C++, there are number of stream classes for doing input-output operations. For this, we need some connection or some medium to communicate with another app. Just like we need air to hear sounds. This communication is provided by streams. In this situation, stream acts as a connector or a media from one application to another application. These streams allows us to communicate not only with the applications which exist in the same device, but also allows us to communicate with the other devices. That is, we can stay connected to external networks by means of streams. The best example for application of streams is WhatsApp. In this app, we can stay connected to other people who are using the same app in their own devices. This application allows us to share media by accessing media in our device like location, images and videos, etc. Let me explain you about the hierarchy of stream classes. Let us suppose that we wanted to access the data which is stored in one application from another application. All the stream classes which are available now are derived from the base class iOS. iOS class is indirectly inherited to iOStream class using iStream and OStream. To avoid the duplicity of data and member functions of iOS class, it is declared as virtual base class when inheriting in iStream and OStream. The class iStream is used for input and OStream for output. The iOS class has an associated stream buffer, which is an object in charge of performing the reading and writing operators of the stream object. The iOS class is responsible for all input and output facilities to all other stream classes. The iStream class. This class is responsible for handling input stream. It provides number of functions for handling characters, strings and objects such as get, getLine, read, etc. The OStream class. This class is responsible for handling output stream. It provides number of functions for handling characters, strings and objects such as write and put, etc. The iOStream class. This class is responsible for handling both input and output stream, as both iStream class and OStream class are inherited into it. It provides function for both iStream class and OStream class for handling characters, strings and objects such as getLine, read and write, etc. The with assigned classes are provided with extra functionality for the assignment operations. iStream with assigned class. This class is a variant of iStream that allows object assignment. The predefined object seen is an object of this class. OStream with assigned class. This is a variant of OStream that allows object assignment. The predefined object cout is an object of this class.